Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reset your car to factory settings. So I'm in a Suzuki eVitera. Now what are we going to do here is we're going to go and open up the settings. Here in the settings, we want to go to System and we want to scroll down until we see the reset. Once we have the reset, we can click on Reset Unit to factory defaults. As you guys can see, the estimated time is 3 minutes, and of course we won't be able to use the car. So make sure that you reset it at home, or when you just know that you won't be able to, or you're not going to use the car, and you can click yes, and after that every single setting that you selected will basically be gone. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.